Hey, what's up guys? I'm over here at Pisgah. It's a volcanic mountain. I came up here utilizing the trail that's by the 40 Needles Freeway. And I gotta say, I underestimated this trail. I really thought I can get up to the top with my bike right here using that trail. But coming here was already a slippery slope, so I'm just gonna have to walk the rest of it. I am a novice. I'm pretty sure an expert adventure bike rider, or whatever you want to classify them as, could get up there no problem. But me, no. I definitely need more practice, and this was the time to do it. If you've never been here, this place is located by Barstow, California, and this year, instead of going out, I just took it upon myself to discover this place a little more and introduce it to you guys. So if you guys need a place to hike or a place to visit, hopefully some of my videos will help out. But I'm gonna walk up this trail and then I'll show you guys how this place looks like from the top, and where exactly we're gonna go into. And I think it's gonna be a pretty cool place. It's gonna be my first time going in, so yeah, let's check it out together. So I don't know if you guys can tell just by the sound of my footprints, but there's just some soft gravel. And just like I tried to learn the other day, if you saw my other video, it's a huge learning curve trying to maneuver this behemoth of a bike. But this is a trail here, and yeah, it's pretty soft. I had a tough time trying to stand up my bike. I had to try multiple spots to keep it propped up. But over there, that's where I'm gonna head to, and go inside the lava tube, as it's called. But yeah, let's head on over there. I just gotta go around and then inwards. So this is where we're going in. A little bit of a tight squeeze, but let's see what I can do. Sorry about the shaky camera. Gotta leave my bag down here. And yeah, tight squeeze. I think I'll leave my backpack out here. I don't think anybody's gonna be coming in. Let's see here. Okay. Huh, this is interesting. Okay, there should have been an opening, but there isn't, unless I crawl commando down there, but I'm not trying to do all that. So I'm gonna come back, do some research on this, and let it be. I am kind of curious though. Yeah, there's nothing down there. Okay. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off so I can make my way out there a little more comfortably, but yeah, failure. That was a real disappointment, at least for me, because I heard there was a lava tube and there isn't. So I'm gonna see what else I can find with my satellite map. Hopefully there's something around here that I can see so it wasn't all a complete waste of a day. I do gotta beat the sun because this daylight savings makes things a lot shorter than they need to be. So it'll get dark soon, and the desert is pretty unforgiving with the cold, and I don't want to be stuck out here for that. So I'll see you guys in a few minutes. So I'm walking around, and you can't tell me this is hiding something. I'm gonna look at my satellite maps again, and then I'm pretty sure there's got to be something here. I did also find this. Let's see if this is something. No. Okay, I'm gonna walk around. I think there might be a cave system, so I'm down to check that out. As I walked up to this, you can't tell me this is like a scene out of Star Wars or something. It's pretty cool. Almost looks like a mushroom field from afar, but they're little bushes. Crazy. There goes the 40 freeway to Needles. Okay, I found something here. I switched over to my Google Maps because I had signal, and well, yeah, okay, cool. I see it now. Well, my Google Maps said that there's a cave here, and this is it right here. This one's called Glove Cave. I don't even know why I have a satellite map when it can't give me this kind of stuff. Let's see. Let's turn on my light here. Okay. Let me take off my backpack again. This one definitely seems a lot more doable as an adult. Okay. Gotta watch your step here. I will say this, if you're a little more older and limited to mobility, this is probably not the spot for you. This definitely requires some a lot of finesse. Let's see here. Okay. Looks like there's nothing there or passages. Maybe here. I don't know how well you guys can make it out through the camera, but there's something over there too. I'm not gonna go too far deep if I don't have to, if the juice isn't worth the squeeze, as the old saying goes, because I'm not a spelunker, and if I think it's too dangerous, then I'm not gonna pursue this. Gotta use common sense here, you know. This is definitely the lava tube I was looking for, or I was probably told about. This thing goes pretty deep. Let me adjust my light here. I just realized it's kind of interfering with the camera. Okay, hopefully that's more better. All right, pretty cool. Oh yeah, this definitely used to be some kind of lava tube. Really quiet in here. Oh, you know what? Because I'm going in a lot deeper, so I think that this is gonna lead me all the way towards that area that I saw those collapsed rocks, but also there was like, you know, like some see-through passages, if that makes sense. I don't know, I'm talking nonsense. Oh, it's a crazy, crazy walk. Oh man, this thing continues. I'm hoping to see like light. Like lava tubes normally have like a break in the ceiling, and you can always see light. All right, this thing will continue. I'm gonna turn around here because I'm not gonna continue forward as of right now. I'm not that well prepared. So, but Glove Cave, I'll come back here next time, and I'll bring some glow sticks and another backpack that's a little more rugged to go into this cave system or lava tube. Sorry about my heavy breathing here. It's not as easy as it looks. There's a lot of uphills and downhills, and some focus and concentration that you need to have walking here. All right, guys, I'm gonna continue forward, and I'll exit the video once I'm outside. But this is really cool. All right, guys, I got like a mile to hike back to my bike, but I'm glad I did this, especially get to know my bike, and I'm glad that you joined me. It is a new year and I'm trying to explore here a lot more. So thank you for tuning in and watching my video. But this is as far as I'll take it. I'm adventurous, but I'm not stupid, you know? So next time I'll bring some lights, rugged backpack, like I said, and just better equipment. Last thing I want is something to happen while I'm in there. And if you come over here to the Barstow area and you feel like you can explore that, feel free to do so. Hopefully I inspired you guys to explore the desert, especially around here. There's always neat stuff to see. But I'll see you guys. Thanks again. Cheers.